Everyone, welcome to another What's Next video here in North County, San Diego, California. And this is Deluz Canyon. It's a coastal desert. I am going to show you what I'm going to do to help my bananas grow a little bit plumper and sweeter. So I'm going to go down there and do a trim. And why don't you follow me down there and we'll take some pictures. And by the way, I'm going to make a short out of part of this. So on all my videos that I do, I will make a short, only because for some reason they work pretty good on YouTube. People like to watch the little shorts, and I don't do shorts very often because they kind of fake you out. You get notification of my channel that I put a video out. It's a short and you don't know it there. You know it's there, it's a short. Anyway, okay, let's go on to the bananas. A little dangle. I'm going to cut that off and it will plump up. Here's a real quick Tahitian squash update. This is two plants that have grown and taken over part of the garden. I am standing on the hill right now that they're climbing down if I don't fall down it. And they are continuing to grow big squash even down here. Look at the size of this guy. Now that's nothing compared to some of the squash that are in this menagerie of vines and tentacles, or tendrils rather. And some of them are really big. Now I gotta be careful. I'm on a real steep incline right here. Try to get up here to look at some of these. Look, they're starting to turn. So I'm starting to get some squash that are turning yellow now. And I think that's a good thing. Let's take a look at one of these if I can get an angle to that fall down. Here we go. Whoa. Those are just two small ones. And behind that is another one there. And then on the ground down there is another one. And three over there. And they're all huge. Look at the one that's hanging on the fence there. So that's quite a prolific squash. And they're not done growing yet. There's some there. There's another huge one right there. Okay, I think I want to show you the pepperoncinis. I'm going to pick pepperoncinis today, and for those of you who follow me, this is a little garden update for what I'm growing this year. I've grown all kinds of things. You've been following me in my videos. Here I've got Anaheim chilies, I've got some pepperoncinis, I got some eggplant, manganji peppers, sashimis, and of course we've already seen the big peppers out there. Right in here I've got a whole bunch of them. I'm going to pick them. I'm going to pickle them this afternoon. If you'd like me to do a video with them, how I pickle pepperoncinis, leave me a comment. I will show you how I do that. They're really simple to pickle, and they're delicious. I have some Anaheim chilies in here. One, I just take you in with me underneath this shade cloth here and show you what I've got going. It's just me, so I only grow for me. So, except for the grapes and things I take to the farmer's market. So, come on in. So here's the pepperoncinis. This is an older one. I'm leaving this one here, so I will end up with seed. And this, you can see, it's starting to turn red. And that will become my seed pepperoncinis. Otherwise, I'm going to pick all the rest of them. They're like this. That's plenty big. And there's going to be a lot of them. So I'll show how many I pick on that one in a minute. And towards the end of the video here, these are Anaheim chilies, and they are looking beautiful. Look at the size of that thing. These are Mangan peppers, and this is my particular variety. I've been growing these for 5 years, and I have managed to get ones that turn purple, and they're delicious. They're a cross between a sashimi and a California sweet bell pepper. And look at that, I've got some really nice eggplant. I think this was probably ready to eat. My goodness, I didn't know they had thorns on them. Look at that, they got thorns on there. I've never seen an eggplant had thorns. Wow, that's new to me. Okay, oh, hi butterfly. What kind of butterfly are you? Stop so we can see what you are. I lost track of where the poblano chilies are. I don't know if this is poblano chili or if this is a poblano chili. We're gonna have to wait and find out. I mixed them up when I planted them, so I'm waiting for them to get bigger before I can choose which is what and how to prepare them to eat. These are ready to go to seed, or they're already seeded, so I'm saving the seeds there. And that'll be it for the video today. Thanks for watching.